Hello viewers, as a cybersecurity professional, you might need a laptop that can work with most programming languages and can do heavy data crunching and tasks like password cracking with ease. Besides, you'll need to make sure that the machine you're getting is capable of dual boot Linux, Ubuntu, installations, running virtual machines, monitoring network traffic, etc. But how? Despite having knowledge about hardware and PC components, choosing the right laptop could be a difficult task. That's why after researching for 173 hours, here's are the 5 best options to consider in 2022. Check out our list of the best laptops for cybersecurity and find one that's perfect for you. If you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Number 1. HP 15 1036 NR. HP 15 is a buffed-up version of the company's mainstream laptop. The configuration relies on Core i5 CPU, and other components are in line with the budget price range. You shouldn't dismiss 10th Gen Core i5. It has 4 cores and 8 threads and a max turbo frequency of 3.6 GHz, which is comparable with older i7 CPU. The processor is more than capable of high-end tasks, and vulnerability tests with Kali Linux white hack apps will run smoothly. Integrated Intel GPU can use thread detection technology to scan memory for malware. You can also enjoy all available multimedia formats in your free time. HP 15 1036 NR has a basic configuration with 8 GB of memory and 256 GB of internal storage. Running multiple VM or other heavier workloads might want more memory to run smoothly. You will also have to rely on external or cloud storage for your data. As a mainstream offering, the laptop has Windows 10 Home Edition. Didn't include an IPS screen for this price range. A decent quality 15.6-inch FHD display with an anti-glare coating will be great for Zoom meetings and managing your security application dashboard. HD webcam and dual-array microphones will make video conferencing more enjoyable. Chiclet-style keyboard has a full layout with numpad. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Book 2. Microsoft took a shot at MacBook Pro with Microsoft Surface Book 2, and it did deliver high-end specs and build quality. The only downside is the price that goes beyond the Apple flagship model. 3 generations old Intel Core i7 8550U still delivers high-end performance, and a maximum turbo boost of 4 GHz will push your system in heavy workload scenarios like running virtual machines. GPU can help the performance of professional software with CUDA cores. Fortnite and CS Go will run smoothly if you like gaming, but you will have to adjust the resolution for most games to full HD. Multitasking between Wireshark and the company's security dashboard will be quick, and so will the boot time, thanks to 16 GB of memory and speedy 512 GB SSD. You can also store most of your working files and reports on the spacious internal storage. Surface Book 2 has Windows 10 Pro OS that comes with enhanced security features. The laptop also has HWTPM 2.0 chip for enterprise security and a camera for biometric recognition for Windows Hello Face sign-in. The display comes with a 3:2 aspect ratio and 3000x2000 resolution. It's a 13.5-inch touchscreen with excellent performance. It is suitable for Surface Pen that is sold separately. Besides creative professionals, cybersecurity experts will appreciate crisp images for their huge listings. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. ASUS VivoBook K571. For cybersecurity experts that want comparable performance but don't want to overspend, ASUS VivoBook K571 might be the laptop of choice. Whether you need to do vulnerability tests or set up VM, a potent Core i7 9750H with its high turbo clock and 6-core will provide excellent performance. Mid-range GPU GeForce GTX 1650 doesn't come with Tensor cores, but 896 CUDA cores enable parallel computing through numerous applications. GTX 1650 can run games like CS, Go, Fortnite, and similar titles in 120 FPS on FHD resolution. a delight for game lovers. Running a safe testing environment in multiple virtual machines won't be a problem with 16 GB of RAM. VivoBook K571 has a lot of internal storage. Fast 256 GB SSD will help with booting times, and you could store big analytic files and reports on a spacious 1 TB HDD. The device comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Home, a classic choice for mainstream laptops, and more than good enough for running network diagnostics or penetration tests. The IPS display ensures rich colors, and the high refresh rate of 120 Hz provides a crisp picture so that you won't miss any details on the FHD screen when running diagnostics. You can opt for broader color coverage, but you will be limited to 60 Hz in that case. The backlit keyboard will help if you have to fix a security breach at nighttime. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. HP Spectre X360. The HP Spectre X360 is a convertible high-end Ultrabook from HP. It has a thin and sturdy body. You can use it as a tablet, take notes, or put it in a tent position for presentations. HP even managed to put in a decent dedicated graphics card. The quad-core Intel Core i7-10510U CPU is a performer. Although it is an older 10th generation of Core processors, running John the Ripper or Wireshark to check for vulnerabilities will go smoothly. The MX250 is a low-range GPU that allows you to play games like Overwatch, Minecraft, Sims 4, and more with decent frame rates. With 16 GB of RAM and a fast CPU, you can run virtual machines smoothly. Fast 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD enables short booting time, contributes to high-end performance, and makes the system quick and responsive. The system runs Windows 10 Pro, a version with the most security features. HP Spectre X360 is a 2-in-1 device with a huge 15.6-inch IPS touchscreen. It has a 4K resolution, and your network listings will look readable. The sharp resolution and image quality make it an excellent multimedia device. Classic Spectre design with an aluminum body, black color with copper accents, and quality hinges result in a reliable, sturdy device. You can flip the screen as much as you want, and with only 4.81 pounds, you can easily carry it around. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Razer Blade Stealth 13 Ultrabook. The Razer Blade Stealth 13 is a rare, powerful Ultrabook model. Potent 10th Gen Core i7 and GeForce GTX 1650 Ti have excellent gaming performance. Great for gaming usually translates into great for other demanding tasks like running cybersecurity tools like Bitdefender, Malwarebytes, etc. The 10nm lithography in 10th Gen Intel CPU brought more power efficiency and a slight downgrade in performance than 14nm models. Core i7 1065 G7, however, has more than enough raw power for running Kali Linux and VM effectively, playing games like Cyberpunk 2077 or COD. Warzone also won't be a problem. GTX 1650 Ti Max-Q will get you decent FPS in AAA games on 1080p resolution. The dual-channel, fast 16 GB memory will help the CPU with cyber threat simulation scenarios, along with a 512 GB speedy SSD. Memory modules will ensure short booting time, enough storage space for large files, and faster software startup. Thin bezels make the 13.3-inch IPS screen pop out. Full HD resolution and 120 Hz provide smooth visuals essential for countless listings in cybersecurity diagnostics. As expected in a smaller form factor, the keyboard is not full size. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.